we have the latest information about the new Blizzard in Iran. Leila, please inform us how is it going?
Thanks, Anne. The people in Iran are suffering terribly. Every hour there are more casualties and missing people. A half an hour ago we counted almost 2,000 deaths. We are waiting up to the minute information.
Thanks, Leila. We are looking forward for the new reports of this disaster. Antonella, please give us some basic information about blizzards.
Of course, but first, what are blizzards? A blizzard is a severe weather condition that is distinguished by low temperatures, strong winds, and large quantities of either falling or blowing snow. Also, blizzards can have a speed of 35 miles per hour.
The casualties in the Iran's blizzard has increased to 4,000 approximately and took 200 villages down in 2 days after an avalanche. We will try to communicate with Leila ASAP to register the survivors' testimony. Keep watching.
I also suffered the avalanche, and we are gonna ask Dana Moradi, one of the last survivors that are here. Okay, now I'm gonna.
My mom is dead. My dad is dead. My sister is dead. I am the only one from my family who survived because I was very far away from where the blizzard was.
Where is everyone? Where are my shoes? Where are my shoes? Hey, what's your name? How did you survive to this disaster?
I survived it because there was a big rock. And
Hello everyone. There are not many survivors, but I get a little cut. And I can get in heat. There are not many clothes for everyone, so I get this hat. It's not very beautiful, but everyone is so cold.
That is terrible. We will pray for that. Right now, I'm gonna give you some tips before a blizzard, and this is like for when a blizzard is going to come. Okay, so now I'll give you some tips to prepare before a blizzard. First of all, is to keep an emergency kit in your cars and in your home in case a blizzard is coming. Also, to charge an electric battery because if the blizzard comes, probably there is not gonna be internet or energy. Also, I recommend you for you to have bottled water always with you in case the water sources are not able. Next, I recommend to keep blankets in your home because it's going to be a cold weather, so for you to keep warm. And finally, I recommend you to have flashlights everywhere with you because energy maybe is not going to be here when the blizzard comes, so for you to have light.
Disasters. Prepare always an emergency medicine bag in case your loved ones get sick during this disaster. Also, stay alert and watch for symptoms of hypothermia and frostbite. Clear the snow carefully. You may also get hurt for the snow. Prepare up prepare for the power outage. As my partner said, it's common for these disasters that they like ghosts, so always be prepared. Get your car ready for the winter weather because not all cars are ready. You can watch in the link over here if you need more information.
Good evening. It's been 1 month since the worst blizzard on record hit western Iran and Azerbaijan, causing about $20 million in damages. The blizzard began in February 3rd and ended on February 9th. It left a large area deep under the snow for a week. The temperatures dropped to minus 25 Celsius, making things even worse. Hundreds of villages were cut off, and people were trapped without food or medicine. 20 buses got stuck on both sides of the Heron Mountain Pass, and a bus crashed there, killing 30 passengers. The rescue teams struggled to help, and the Soviet army arrived too late to save their citizens. Avalanches blocked the Kalus Road and power went out of Ansali port. The majority of roads and train services in Azerbaijan stopped, and many cities closed their schools and events. Before the blizzard, a flu had already been causing deaths. The recovery is still going, but the areas still face many challenges as it rebuilds and deals with the health issues. This is Ain reporting on the aftermath of the blizzard. Stay tuned for more updates. Goodbye.
As we can see in this image, there is a train trapped in the snow. The snowdrift in this picture was approximately of 3 or 4 meters. In this image, as my partner said, there were 20 trapped buses in the blizzard.